and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. Today's video is going to be a fall decorate vignette. I am decorating my coffee bar for us, my tea bar, and I'm also doing a two-tiered tray, which is going to be the vignette. Come on in and see what I've done. Now friends, the best part of this entire video is that it's a collaboration with my YouTube sister Rena of O Taste and See, Cooking and Entertaining with Rena. The collaboration is open, so of course we wanted all of you to join. And the only rules to this collaboration were that you be subscribed to both our channels and that you have fun. Be sure that if you are joining later that you check out the hashtag below and put it out there so that we can find you. We want you all to join us and to have a ball for fall. So come on in and let's get started. I hope that's better. Anyway, I've already cleaned everything off, did the backsplash. Tray is clean, coffee box clean, and I'm just going to go ahead and start putting things together. If you'll follow me over here, I have, can I get you down a little bit so you can see? I have the things that I may use here on the table, and there's lots. And there's even more in my fall containers, and of course there are my fall florals, but we're going to start first with the tiered tray, as we usually do, and then we'll see, because it's a small area, and then we'll see what we put there, okay? So, let's see what we're gonna do. Let me see. Okay, so I have quite a few little DIYs. This one I painted, I think it was a little, what was in this jar? I can't remember. You know, I put a leaf on it. And inside, these smell so good. They're the mini brooms that smell like cinnamon. So I'm going to start with those. And I'm going to put you to music, and I'm going to go ahead and get busy, okay?
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. myself all the same lies. Numbing me therapy too. Have dilute all the bad news. Cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times. Cause I tell myself all the same lies. Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Oh, if you would show me. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me some to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it's self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love. Cause of my own pain. No one's coming to save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself. Hey, save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself. Save yourself. I don't wanna be crazy no more. No. Every time I question what my future has in store, I get to panicking anxiety. Can't live here no more. No more. So I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it's self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love. Root of my own pain. No one's coming. Save you, baby girl. Hey, you got to save yourself. No one's coming. Save you, baby girl. Hey, yeah, you got to save yourself. Save yourself.
So friends, I hope that you're enjoying this video. I hope that you like my little two-tiered tray over there. There will be pictures at the end so that you can get a better view. Don't forget to head on over to Rena's to check out her kitchen vignette as well. As I said before, a link to her YouTube channel I will be in the description box below. So I have enjoyed bringing this to you guys. I always do. You know how I love decorating for fall. If you've been here for a minute, you know. And to my new subscribers, I'd like to say welcome. We're glad you're here. And we hope that you will become ride or dies and come back often to check out what's going on here on the site. And to my ride or dies, I'd like to say to you, Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know how I feel about you. I love you. I am so appreciative that you come back every week to see what's going on over here. And if you have not subscribed yet, why don't you hit that subscribe button below? Once you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. That way you won't miss a thing that gets uploaded to the site. And so now, friends, we're going to continue working on this little corner, this vignette for fall. And I hope, as I said, you've enjoyed it. If you're still with me, please leave me an emoji in the comments below of a leaf emoji. And tell me something about your fall decor. Are you decorating with neutrals? Are you doing the traditional fall colors? Or are you decorating at all? Let me know in the comments below. Okay?
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's.
So, my friends, it's about that time for me to remind you to find something today to bring joy into your life. Once you find your joy, share it with someone else. It'll make you feel good, and you'll be oh so glad you did. And with that said, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, with hugs, and with blessings. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Listen to the rain. I love this sound.